What is up guys, buongiorno, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous and popular white wine grape variety from Italy, from Sicily to be precise, the beautiful island of Sicilia to the south of Italy. This was the grape variety, this is the grape variety behind the famous fortified wines of Marsala from Sicily. But the Marsala wines aren't that popular anymore, so many Sicilian wineries now use these grape varieties, the Grillo, and we'll get to how to pronounce it. They use it to make some really enjoyable, fruit-driven, a little bit grassy, a little bit spicy, a little floral white wines that are very, very quaffable and quite enjoyable. Very promising grape variety. So how do you go about pronouncing this with the typical Italian pronunciation? So this is not French, neither is it Spanish. So you do not want to say Grillo. If it was French or Spanish, we would say Grillo, but the Italians, when there is a double L, instead of saying it like a sound Y, they do pronounce the double L and insist on the L because there is two L's. So you have to say Grillo. Grillo. Do insist on the I, Grillo, and do insist, really emphasize on the double L. Grillo. Grillo wine. Il vino di Grillo. Grillo wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here are many more videos if you like learning more about your vino. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.